Welcome. So the first thing when you launch your Pixellab, this is going to be the interface. This is how it looks. You already know that. So we are going to tap on this text and delete it. Okay. So when you tap on it, you've activated the text. And secondly, we are not going to change the worksheet size. Okay, we leave it this way at the square. It's in the square. That's 1 by 1. Okay. So what you do is you tap on this and you tap on the A here, then you tap on delete. Yep. So now we've deleted it. The second thing we're going to do is to import our product. Yes, to import the product, so that I want to use the product to make a background. Okay, so you understand. Let me show you. So if you want to import, you already know where to import a product from. Okay, so I'll tap on here. This is import. That's an image. When I say product, I'm talking about an image. Okay, you go to your gallery and you go to where your product is already located or situated. Anyone. Okay, so we're going to try this. We're going to design a product advert flyer for this product. Yep, for the sneakers here. Yep. Okay, so this is the sneakers. The next thing we're going to do is to work on the background. Okay, so here's the trick. When you tap on here, this is the color. Yep. So when you go to the color, we are going to use gradient color, because as you can see, our product has different kinds of colors. Okay, so when we use the gradient here, we will be able to generate color from different colors. So this is the color we are going to use, because you see it matches the shoe, it matches the sneakers. So let me show you how to generate the color. What you do is you tap on the plus icon here, and yep, I'm coming. Let me change it. Let me change the color itself. So when you tap on the plus icon here, you make sure that these two angles, this is 1 and this is 2, are situated this way. Okay, yes, they are positioned this way. You can see how it is. So if you want to position it, maybe your own, it will be like this. This is how it's going to be. Okay, so you just drag this way and you drag this up here. Very simple. So these are the two positions. You can see I'm tapping them. These are the two positions. So what you do is that in this position, which is the down position, you tap on the color here. Okay, when you tap on the color, you tap on this. When you tap on it, you move on and select this. This is your product. So remember that the color in the down color of the gradient is blue, is this blue. Okay, so what you do is you can zoom. So you tap, or after you zoom, you tap on the blue here. You can see that it has picked the color. This is the color picker. Okay, we pick colors with it. So you can see that it has picked the color. So you tap on the check mark and you tap on OK. Okay, tap on OK, and you can see that it has generated, right? It is now blue. So the second thing is this, the second position. When you tap on it, you tap on color also. You go to the picker, then you select the red color. Okay, the red color, just this way, and here, voila, we've generated a color. You can see, very simple, very easy. We've generated the color. It's still the same. Okay, so yeah, then you tap on the check mark. Finish. The second thing we're going to do, next thing, is to tap on the text, bring in new text, go to the edit and write Nike, type Nike, just this way. So the font we are going to use for this is going to be the Monserrat Black. Okay, this one, Monserrat Black. Yep, just like this. So we add its size just this way, and we rotate it a little bit this way. Yep. So the next thing is we make sure that we go to the color and tap on plus. That's for the Nike. Tap on plus here, and you see this third point. You drag it to this point so that it will be invisible. It is no longer visible. Okay, you tap on the check mark, then you move on to stroke. This is the stroke. You enable the stroke, then you give it white color, just this way. Very easy. Okay, we can reduce the stroke or no. Yeah, let's leave it in the 4. Let's go to the opacity. This is the opacity. You drag the opacity down to like 35. Very okay. Then what you do is you keep on copying this. Okay, yeah, you keep on copying it just this way. Yeah, okay, yeah, copy and position it, very important. Yep, copy and position it, copy and positioning, copy and positioning. That's what you keep on doing. Okay, so that's it. The next thing is you can tap on this. So you tap here. When you go, you select the shoe. We want the shoe to be in the up. Okay, it should be sent to the up. So when you select it, you've activated it. You go to this place and you tap on to front here, to front, and it is now brought to the front. Sorry guys. Okay, so we reduce it, we position it a little bit. Okay, yeah. The next thing, we can tap on this padlock to lock it. Okay, so we lock everything so that it won't be moving while we are working. Okay, yeah, very simple. So the next thing is we'll go to the text. We tap on text. We edit the text and write and type just for the first time, just this way. Then we move to the font, and we select a good font for it, like this. No, let's select the Montserrat bold. Let's select the Montserrat bold. Yeah, I like the Montserrat bold. Yep. So the size, wow, is it 170 or 270? Okay, let's leave it in 270. Okay, so this is the size. Okay, so what we are going to do is we can centralize it. What we are going to do next is to change the color of the text. Or we can go to color, and we should leave it in yellow. Okay, in yellow. You can just select yellow color. If you don't have a yellow color, you can tap on the plus icon and you can see the color, so you can change it to yellow. You can change it to anything, so make it yellow. Okay, very simple. The next thing, because there's a yellow in the shoe, so it will go with this. Okay, so let's copy it and type do it just this way with the exclamation mark. Do it with the exclamation mark and reduce the size, change the color. Color should be white. Okay, yeah, the color should be white, just this way. I will position it here. So we bring this one up again. Yeah, it should be at the up. Okay, so you can see we've designed a flyer. Very simple flyer. Let me copy this and position it this way, this place. Yeah, take it down. Okay, so you can see that we've designed a sales flyer. Okay, but is our flyer okay? Is it filled? Is it complete? I think it is not. It's missing something. Let's go to this is the shapes, and tap on here to select a shape. Let's select this shape. Okay, so let's rotate it and reduce the size. We are going to use this as our price tag because it's very important if you are designing a sales team to include the price for people to see. Very important. Okay, so let's move on to the stroke and add the stroke. Let's give it a white stroke. Okay, so let's add the stroke to 4. Let's move to the, apart from the stroke, let's go to the inner shadow. Add inner shadow, reduce the blur radius to like 5, and you can see we have something like this. So the next thing is just for you to add your pricing. Let's say it is $80, $80, $80 and 80, just this way. So let's go to the color and change the color to black. Yeah, we can change the font also. We can change the font to Monstera black. Yep, so we just move it here, you know, we just move it here, and you can see that we have $8 boldly written here. So you can go ahead and play with it. You know, we can do something like adding our shape and, you know, reducing the shape, and let's put it up here. Let's position it up here. Oh god, yeah, let's position it up here and, you know, do some stuff. Yep, so let's take it down a little bit, position it down. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to, you know, text edit. Let's change the color first so that it will be visible. The color should be black color. Yep, so let's say www123 www.nike.com, just this way, nike.com. So let's reduce the font size 123. Yep, let's reduce the font size to 45. Very important. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, we have something like this. Okay, though it's not perfect, but it is very cool. So this is how you simply design a sales flyer for Nike shoes. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. But always don't forget to save your image. Okay, you go to the share here, and, you know, the dimension, when you tap on it, leave it at ultra. Okay, then you save it to your gallery, and that's all. Okay, so thank you.